Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to hop on here and do a August Ipsy try on with the goodies that I received in my Ipsy bag for the month of August. If ever you're missing a product out of your Ipsy bag or it's damaged or broken, just contact the Ipsy support. They would love to send you out a new one, a new product, whatever it is that you're missing. If you want to see what I do here, just keep watching. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna be using is this Bombay Honey Moisturizer Cleansing Foam. So it says you just rub it together and just apply it to the face. Okay guys, so the smell is horrible. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna use is this eye balm. Really pretty. Okay, so I did my lids. It's not perfect, but it's cute. Kind of blend it a little bit just to make it cleaner. Blend, blend, blend. And then now I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty. Guys, so I'm obsessed. So here is the full look.